Isang artist noon si Marilyn nang malugi ang kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan.
Sasabihin sana ako sa'yo, pull out ko muna sana yung project.
Nagtayo sila ng studio ng asawang si Rafi, ngunit kinailangan din nila itong isara.
Na-deplete na lahat ng savings namin. Yung ulam na lang namin, galunggong at munggo. It got to the point na I would even look for mga barya sa bag ko. Talaga, lahat ng mga bags ko, bubuksan ko, magsisimot ako ng barya.
Rafi.
Sa panahon ng pinakamatinding kagipitan, ay wala na rin silang maibayad sa renta. Naisipan ng mag-asawa na manalangin.
Unang binabalik na po namin ang mataas na papuri, pasasalamat.
Sagot sa kanilang dasal ang pagdating ng isang kaibigan.
So he asked us, is there anything I can do for you? Is there anything you need? Sabi namin, we need rent for tomorrow.
It's so shocking. It's so, kasi how God brought someone there now. Ang nangyari, so she made a check right there.
So right away, wow, nagulat kami. We were able to find a way to pay the rent.
Bukod sa renta, pinagpala rin ng Panginoon si Marilyn. Nakapagtrabaho siya bilang colorist sa kanilang tahanan. Ngunit naging bunga naman ito ang malayong loob sa isa't isa.
Mamaya na, may ginagawa pa ako.
So we both became busy. We were very blessed na tuloy-tuloy yung work. Pero ang nangyari, sa sobrang busy, stress kami pareho, nagiging masungit kami.
Taong 2014, sa isang iglap, ay nawala ang lahat ng kanilang ipinundar nang masunugan sila ng bahay at nagtamo ng second-degree burn ang kanyang asawang si Rafi.
Makita ko si Rafi, he was shivering, they were hosing him down, tapos yung skin niya talaga sunog. But in the middle of all that, he just told me, Mama, God is good. Romans 8:28 lang to. I know He has a reason for this.
Sa pag-aalaga ng buong pamilya kay Rafi sa ospital at pagtutulungan para makabangon, nabuo ang mas malapit na relasyon sa isa't isa, habang nananampalataya na pagkalooban sila ng Panginoon ng bagong bahay.
Here's the miracle. Nasa hospital pa lang kami, may nagte-text na sa akin, Miss Marilyn, pwede ba mag-schedule ng color grading sa inyo bukas? And sasagutin ko, wait lang nasunog kasi yung house. The clients never stopped coming. We were not marketing. They kept coming and clients pa who we didn't know. Sinashare nga namin, they grew 5 times more.
Dahil sa sunod-sunod na blessings, nakapagtayo ng bagong bahay ang mag-asawa.
We were all believing. We were just fixing our eyes on God na ayusin niya tong house and He's gonna transform this into something beautiful.
Bilang pasasalamat sa ginawa ng Panginoon sa kanilang pamilya, tinawag niyang Refuge for the Youth ang bagong bahay at masayang tinanggap ang mga kabataang pumupunta mula sa simbahan.
We cannot help but share the story of this house. And then we end up sharing about the Lord. And they leave the house with hope.
Sa ngayon, masayang nabubuhay si Marilyn kasama ang kanyang pamilya. Bit-bit ang mahalagang natutunan.
Romans 8:28. All things work for the good of those who love God and who are called according to His purpose. It taught us to just trust in Him. So many events can happen to your life, good or bad, pero palagi may connection niya. Later on, it will lead to something that's in His plan for you. And it's always for your good.